Transform pod coffee into greater savings, greener living, personal brewing. Everything you need is in Xpod. Just seconds to a perfect pod. Your unique, personalized coffee pod is ready to enjoy. Nothing beats fresh ground beans. Choose any bean that is perfect for you, or for your loved ones, or for a special occasion. Tailor it your way, just how you like it. Driven by Xpod's precision engineering, delivering flawless consistency in every grind, fill, and tamp. Enhance your coffee experience with Xpod, the perfect blend of ease and enjoyment. But wait, there's more. You get to pick the design that suits your style. It fits almost any capsule coffee machine out there. Seamlessly integrate it with your setup. Experience dramatic savings with every cup. Our design pods are made from stainless steel, built to last a lifetime. Enjoy your coffee while making a difference for our planet. That's the power of Xpod. Your coffee, your choice.